Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys. Your AC doesn't work because of a bad AC pressure switch. We will explain where it's located and how to remove it guys. If you don't do one thing right, you can severely hurt yourself. So make sure to stay until the end and we will explain about that. Now that should work on multiple generation Kia Sorento and Kia Sportage guys. If you want to see how to test actually guys the AC pressure switch on a Kia, we will have that video and I'll talk about that as we go, where you can find it. So let's go ahead, explain about that. You don't need to remove your engine to do that. Simply we have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars, and with the engine out we can clearly show you where everything is located and teach you how to fix your car for free. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So now this is it here guys, 2.4 GDI engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure should be similar if you have a Kia Sorento with a V6 engine. Now we have a special video that explains how to test the AC pressure switch guys. That video, okay, should be on World Mechanics, our YouTube channel. Check it out. It will teach you how to do that on a Kia. If you look at it, you have the AC condenser. We have the whole drivetrain removed, the way it will be sitting in the car. This is the condenser. That's the AC lines. Okay, one line is going to the AC compressor, the other line is going right here. That little line here with the sensor, that's AC pressure switch. Now, many of you guys ask me what we use for diagnostics, what tools and all that stuff, and we decided to share the information with you. That's the computer that we use guys, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out if you're on the market for one. It's really cool too, that can pay itself off in one-time use guys. Now you have to make sure guys, before you remove that valve, okay, that your AC system is completely drained. Otherwise, when you remove that valve, everything will come out under enormous amount of pressure that can blind you, hurt you, okay, it can cause serious injury. So I'll recommend take your car to an AC shop for a small fee. They can vacuum the system. They hook up a machine to the low and high pressure port. They suck all the freon and you don't have any pressure. If you release it in the atmosphere, first it's illegal, second you can get hurt and you can get a big fine for that. So with the system being empty, okay, you get an 18mm wrench. You need to hold the bottom of the line, otherwise you will break your AC line. Deep 24-inch socket, and okay, now we're going to go ahead and slowly remove the switch guys. That switch tells the AC compressor and the engine computer if you have enough pressure for the AC compressor to activate. If that switch doesn't work, okay, what will happen guys, okay, your AC compressor will not work. And when you remove that switch, you just see the hole in the line, so without it all your freon will leak out. That's why it needs to be emptied first. That's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.